Ever have the need to password protect a folder on your Windows computer? Want to hide this folder for safekeeping? Well, today we have a quick tip on how you can do this easily and for free. So let's get to it. All right, first things first, let's create a new folder on our desktop. You can do this by right-clicking on your desktop, selecting New, and Folder. Give this folder a name. Next, let's add your precious files you want to protect into the folder. Yeah, these puppy pics are precious cargo. Don't judge me. Add your files to the new folder. Now we want to add a text file that we'll use to help lock the folder. To do this, right-click in the folder, select New, and then Text Document. Next, we have a script that we'll want to copy and paste into our new text document. I'll have a link to the document in the video description so you can download it for easy copying. Now save this text document. Here, a critical step. We want to set your password for the folder. We'll locate the Your Password line in your document and replace it with a secure password. I'll use an example password of password123, but you'll want a more complex one. Now go do a save as for this file. Name the file as desired, but we'll want to add .bat to the end of the file name. This basically turns the text file into a mini application. You can delete this text document now if desired. Now, double-click your .bat file you just created and it will produce a lockable private folder. Place your precious files in this private folder. Now double-click your .bat file and it will ask you if you want to lock your private folder. Type Y and hit Enter. Notice that our private folder is now locked and hidden from view. If we double-click our .bat file again, it will prompt you for your password to unlock the folder. Type that password and hit Enter. And our private folder with precious puppies is again unlocked and viewable. We'll lock these guys back up again for safekeeping. A few things to keep in mind. You can move this folder around anywhere on your computer. Just don't forget your password. If you lose it, you'll lose access to your files. Also, understand this isn't unbreakable security, but it's great for keeping casual users or family members out of your private files. For higher level protection, consider encryption software like BitLocker or other third-party security apps. So, you now know how to create a password-protected folder in Windows with just a few steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. It really is the best way to support the channel. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.